Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about internet safety today. We are going to be talking about internet safety because it's important. It's important now. It's important later in life. It's even important for someone as old as me to know internet safety. You'll need to know internet safety for the rest of your life, and just what that means is how you navigate on the internet, what information you give out, what information you don't give out. And so, a question that you should be thinking about is how can we ensure your safety when using the internet? And so as you're navigating through this, that's a question to keep in mind. This first little video right here is called Fox Paws Adventures in the Internet, and it links out to a YouTube video, and it's just a cute little animated video where Foxpaw's out on the internet and he's trying to navigate and see what he's supposed to do and what he's not supposed to do, and just a cute little video here. And then the next one is Internet Safety with Mrs. Kepich. And again, she's trying to navigate through the internet, and she is, while she's doing that, she's going to teach you some things about internet safety. Then this yellow one here is called Internet Safety Tips, and it's just going to give you 5 internet safety tips for kids, but this would also be for anybody. It would be internet safety tips for anyone. This little internet safety game is a Quia internet safety game, and it has little sentences that you have to fill in the blank on about internet safety, and so you should have lots of internet safety by the time you get to that game if you choose to go in order. This is called a CEOP game, and it's just a fun little game with 2 little characters. This is the boy character. There's also a girl character, and it teaches you how to learn how to stay safe on the internet. These are NetSmart videos. There's several of them on here you can choose from, but they are cute. They have 2 little characters there, and they are teaching you how to navigate the internet also. This one is a lot of fun. It's called Safe Online Surfing, and it has different levels that you can go to. So like one level will be about matching, and one level will be like word games, and they're all different little levels that you can go to, and they're all about internet safety. So fun little game there. By that point, you're ready for a little quiz, and it's just a little fun quiz to see what you've learned so far about internet safety. This is another, how cyber savvy are you? And it's another little quiz. It gives it to you in a different way than the other one, and you can take these in order or out of order. It doesn't matter. This one up here is Be Internet Awesome game, and he's a fun little Arctic character, and it's teaching you how to be awesome on the internet. This one is called Cyber 5, and there's little hippo and hedgehog. And it's an ABC, short little animation, and it gives you rules to stay safe on the internet, and a little different than the rules that you learned about prior, but very similar. And then the last one is Internet Safety Brain Pop Junior, and you do not have to have any kind of login for this. It takes you straight to the internet safety video, and you can just hear what Moby has to say about internet safety. All of these are easily accessed just by clicking on the picture, and these are all things that are going to help you stay safe on the internet and in life from now on. So this isn't just something that's going to help you right now while you're a 4th grader. This is going to help you stay safe on the internet and in real life forever. The internet can be a really scary place, because if you give out the wrong information or listen to the wrong people, it could be a dangerous place. And I know that you don't really realize that, but these safety tips are going to tell you what information you can give out, what information you can't give out, and it'll give you some of the whys as to why you should and shouldn't do things. So I hope you enjoy this little Padlet of lots of fun information, fun ways to get the information. I enjoyed making it for you.